Hello, friends. Welcome back to CodeKaroYaaro, India's first online school of computer science. Today, we are here for our new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can create animated drawing and art series, okay, with the help of Scratch. So let's get started. We are going to use the pen extension from the extensions, and we are going to create some fun project today. So let me share my screen and we are going to get started with it. So I hope my screen is visible to you. So first of all, you have to search for Scratch and you have to click on the very first link, Scratch Imagine Program Share. After you click on that, you have to click on this create option. Okay, so now this is our new project in which we are going to create an animated series of drawing. So let's see how we are going to do that. So first of all, we are going to delete the cat. We don't require the cat, okay? So first of all, we are going to go to the paint option this time and we are going to paint a pen, okay? A pen or a paint brush or something like that, okay? So for that, I will have to go to this paint, okay? And I'll try to create something like a paint brush. Okay, so you can always fill the color. Okay, so this is my kind of a paintbrush, but of course you can draw it better. Okay, who are very good at art can always draw the paintbrush a lot better. Okay, okay, I'll try creating a good one. Just a second. Okay, so okay, this is done. Now let's color it. So you can click on this fill color option and you can choose your colors. Okay, so my paintbrush is ready. So now let's go to the code. Okay, so you can create different sprites. So this is a paintbrush. Again, you can go to choose a sprite and maybe in the fashion letters. No, it's not here. Maybe we can create something with the wand, or we can put some 2 3 good sprites. Arrow. Okay, I think these three are enough. So we have these three sprites. Okay, so it's a paintbrush, a wand, and an arrow. So for each sprite we are going to do some different shapes. Okay, so when we click on that particular sprite, it will perform some shapes. Okay, so let's get started with the very first sprite, that is a paintbrush. So first of all, we are going to use the pen extension. So pen extension will allow us to use all the instructions of pen. So we have to go to this extension part in the corner and you have to get the pen extension. Okay, click on that pen extension and here are all the instructions you can use for the pen. Okay, you can set the pen color, you can change the size of the pen, okay, everything. So now let's get started with our very first sprite, the paintbrush. So first of all, when green flag is clicked, we have to erase everything which has already been done. So we can just go to the pen and erase all. And we are going to set the pen color too. Let me make it a little bit like, yeah, this color. Okay. And then we are going to put pen down, which will actually allow us to draw something. Then we are going to go to the repeat option here, we are going to repeat a particular step, okay, for 3 times. That's why we are going to use repeat block, because I only wanted to repeat 3 times, okay. What I want to repeat that my pen should move 100 steps first of all, not 10 but 100 steps, and it should turn 120 degrees, okay. So turn 120 degrees. Okay, so let's see. Do you see it created a triangle? Yeah, so when we put this instruction, it will help us to create a triangle, but it is too fast. So let me make it a little bit slower. Wait 1 second. Yeah, as you can see, after I click on the green flag, it is creating a triangle. It is creating slowly this time because we put wait 1 second. Now for the wand, we can make it, we can make something else. Okay, we can create some another shape. So let's see. First, we will put when green flag is clicked, again erase all because we don't want any mess. So erase all. Okay, so once we erase all, we'll set the pen color. This time we'll put purple. It looks good. And then we can put pen down. These 3 steps, 4 steps are common for all. Only the change will be in the shape, okay? Like how many times it has to move and how many times it has to turn, the degrees and everything, it will change. So now we will put the repeat block because I want certain steps to be repeated. Repeat 6 times. Again, in the same repeat, we are going to again put the repeat block, another block, which is repeat 3 times. So I only want move 100 steps to be repeated 3 times. Okay, so I'm going to put here move 100 steps. And I'm going to turn to 120 degrees. So this steps I want to repeat 3 times. But another step, which is turn this one, which is, okay, just a second. Yeah, so this step, I want to make it repeat 15 degrees, okay? So how it works, see. See, this is how it will create, okay? So it will create some good shape like this, okay? So let's put wait 1 second also because I wanted to wait. It's too fast. Okay, wait 1 second is too much slow. Let me put 0.5. See, as you can see, it's creating triangles multiple times, right? Yeah, it looks so good. Yes. And the last one is arrow. So what we are going to do for arrow, we are going to make it do a circle. Okay, let's do that. So first of all, we can pick when green flag is clicked. That is the start of our project, and erase all so that there's no mess. We need to erase everything which is previously been done. Then we are going to set the pen color. This time we'll make it red or pink. Maybe pink or something else. Let's see. Maybe blue this time. Blue looks good. And then pen down. Now we have to repeat 360 times a particular step. So we'll go to the repeat and we will put 360. Oops, that's too big. Okay, 360 time we'll put move once. Because we are putting move one step, that means it will repeat 360 times, then only a circle will be created. Okay, move one step and turn degrees to 1 degree. So this will be repeated for 360 times and it will create a whole circle. Okay, so if you want to make it go slower, we can use wait 0.5 seconds. Okay, let's see how it works. I think 0.5, it's becoming too slow. Let's make it only, uh, wait 0 seconds. Yeah, we don't want to wait it, make it wait. See, this is how it is creating a circle. As you can see, let's make it bigger. Yes, it's creating a circle. See? Great. So it's looking so great. So you can also give a heading here, my drawing and art game. So if you want to go to the backdrop and paint, so you can write here, my art game. Okay, let's make it a little bit. Yeah, so this is perfect. I think this is a great project. You guys should try. Okay, so let's see again. Okay, so after you have completed the project, you have to click on save now. As you already know this, and you can give the name of the project here in the untitled written there. You can delete that and you can write drawing game. So that's it for today's class. I hope you enjoyed making this project. Stay tuned for the next class, next tutorial. We are going to learn some amazing projects. Okay, so bye and everyone take care. Bye.